Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on HONOR X8a. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and then click install. Now you can click open, then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now, then click open permissions and select the AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back and go back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.